How to copy and paste multiple text on Android phone. Hey guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today I will show you that how can you copy and paste multiple text on your Android phone. So let's get started. On this process, at first you'll have to firstly open any platform which have been providing you some information, and from there you want to copy. So in my case, I'm opening the Google Chrome and I have opened this article. So now from here, to copy this text from this article, you'll have to just hold that text. Alright, so now from here you can easily select the text by scoring by this arrow. So from here you can select the text whom you want to copy. So now from here you can also go the option select all. So after you tap on the select all option, you can select all of this text from this section. So from here I have choose only this section. So after you select the text from here, you'll have to just tap on this copy option. Alright, so after you copied this text on your clipboard, you'll have to just back from here and open any platform where you want to share this text. So I'm opening the notes here. Alright, so now from this section you'll have to just hold here on the screen, and now from here tap on this paste option. Alright, so in this way you can also copy and paste the multiple text on your Android phone. So this is the easiest and simplest method. Hope you found this video helpful to you, and please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.